If you're looking for a natural skin finish makeup routine for your Valentine's Day night that is going to be long lasting and that's also going to be comfortable and beautiful to wear, this is the video for you. I'm going to be sharing a really simple, very classy makeup routine that you can rock for your Valentine's Day, whether you are going to be solo, whether you're going to be doing Galentines or a Valentine's date. This is the video for you. I want you to know that you are special, you are beautiful, and you are seen. We're going to get the hair out of the face. First thing we're gonna do is exfoliate those lips. You can take a little bit of honey, salt, or sugar. You can make your own little scrub using this Reffy lip buff because this one's really nice at slewing off all those dead skin cells. After we have nicely exfoliated lips, we're gonna go in with something super hydrating like this Vaseline and prep the lip. That feels really good. Now we're going in with something super glowy for a really nice base. I don't use primer anymore. I make sure my skin is very well hydrated with all of my skincare I put on. If it's in the morning, I put on vitamin C, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, moisturizer, and top it off with a nice glowy sunscreen like this glow screen from Supergoop. It is an excellent way to prep the skin, give it a little bit of luminosity. It is very nice and lightweight. It doesn't feel odd or awkward underneath makeup. It feels so good. We're gonna take a nice foundation that you like. I like this House Labs foundation because it really leaves my skin feeling so natural skin finish. And I haven't used a beauty blender, but I thought, you know, it's Valentine's Day. We're gonna do it up with the nice little pink shade. You can take your foundation and either apply it with your fingers or you can apply it with a brush, which is what I have been doing lately for a long time now. But my skin has been struggling a little bit with hydration and it feels like it needs a little bit of moisture. So I thought, why don't I get a beauty blender so that I can do my makeup in these winter months with it wet, and I feel like it would leave the foundation nice and dewy. I'm gonna do one more little splop. With foundation, guys, less is more. So you want to start in the center of the face always and then work the product outward. For concealer, we're gonna be using the Merit Beauty stick, foundation stick. This is the color Linen. And then we're gonna take this little guy and blend it all in. I have not used a beauty blender in a very long time. Kind of feels really good. Now you can do a little bit of contouring to the face. We're gonna take this Say Beauty. This is the color Salt, and this is their Dew Bronze. I love these, you guys. These are a dream to blend out, and the color is so nice. It's not like a bronze, it's more like a contour color that I absolutely adore. And they have different shades that you can choose from, but this shade specifically goes really nicely with my skin tone. You see, see how easy that is to blend out? I really like to put a little bit of it on the bridge of the nose so that it marries everything together. And because it's Valentine's Day, we're gonna go in with this Say Beauty Baby blush. It is so nice, but with these, you do not need a whole lot. You literally need like just that little bit, maybe a little bit on your nose. A little bit of this goes a very long way. We're taking a little slanted brush like this from this. I got this at MAC a really long time ago. I cannot even see the number of the brush anymore, but this is literally my favorite brush to do cream blushes with. It is a dream. If you can find something similar to this, where it's like slanty and it has little, if someone could leave a comment down below, let me know. If you guys know what this brush is called, let me know. And if you happen to know of a different brush that, you know, is available now, I got that, you know, in 1995. We're gonna be using the Ilium mascara and I'm gonna warm it up on my armpit. Warming up your mascara makes it go on so nicely. It's so weird, you guys, but it really works. We're gonna go in with the Say Beauty translucent powder. After you do your foundation and when you're gonna set it, you wanna make sure nothing has little creases. So I just like to take a little brush, go in to the eyelid area so that we don't set any creases, any other places that we put foundation on. We're gonna take a little bit of that powder and do just a little bit under the eyes. I like to take some and put it on the eyelid. It's a nice way to prep your lids for any kind of eyeshadow that you're gonna do. I'm gonna take this little brush and just set the foundation. Look at how beautiful the skin looks with those two. I feel like that combo with the super goop underneath for a little bit of luminosity. The House Labs foundation with the Merit as a concealer. My gosh, you guys, it is literally a combo of dreams. You're gonna love that you wore this combo for your Valentine's Day. Okay, aren't these adorable, by the way? P.S. Oh, and by the way, I got my nails done. I got them with just a really beautiful nude color, and I just asked her to do a little heart on them. I thought that was so cute. Back to not being a 5-year-old. We're gonna top off that. When you want your makeup to last, I always like to do a base of cream and then a top off of something with powder on it. So I really love the combo of this Stay Beauty and this Dior Pink 01. If you don't have that, that's totally okay. You can make do with what you have. You don't have to have the exact same products that I have to make your magic happen. Use what you have on hand. In fact, it's not even necessary for you to purchase all of the products, right? I hope more that you are encouraged and inspired to get ready and to love taking care of you. Okay, we're gonna curl those lashes. I've been toying back and forth whether I want to do false lashes today or not, but I don't think so, you guys. I feel like as I've gotten older, I've just I have to think about my timing, and I just don't have time for false lashes. I wish I could just have false lashes without the hassle, but you can't. So you got to minimize your routine where you can. So I don't do false lashes, but if you want to do them, that's totally fine. We're gonna do those eyebrows. And you guys, I'm not the best at eyebrows. You guys, there's so many other makeup gurus out there that can teach you better on eyebrows. Mine are so thin that I can just go I don't really fuss too much with my eyebrows, because when I was young, when I was in junior high, I completely ruined my eyebrows. I had really nice thick brows and I plucked them to no end and they did not grow back. So if you're young and you have nice eyebrows, I suggest that you just, don't overpluck. Learn from my mistakes. I'm gonna be trying out this new Dior Backstage liner, and it's a liner in like a chocolate brown. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, you can do either liquid liner and you can do black if you would prefer. This is brown. I just wanted to try something different. I've had the same makeup look for so long and I just feel bored, and I wanted to try something new. So I picked this up to see if I was gonna like it, and I actually adore it. Okay, very excited about that. We're gonna be using this palette called That's Taupe. It is a pressed powder palette. We're gonna go in with the color Boa right here. I'm gonna do this and just do a little bit of mattifying that eyelid. And then for me, if I do a bold lip, then I don't mess with my eye, I leave my eye alone. I pick whether I want lots of eyes and then I have very minimal lips, like nude lips, or I never do like bold crazy lips and then bold eyes. I like to pick so that there could be like juxtaposition with the face. We are gonna be testing out some nice pink colors on the lips to see which one would look cute. Let's see, the Summer Fridays. Okay, just because I want to intensify a little bit of the eye, I'm going to tightline with a brown liner just underneath, just on the lid. And you can take your finger and go like this, but apply the mascara. I like to do mascara on my bottom lashes. I feel like it really feels nice. It looks pretty. Comment down below, let me know. Do you like to put mascara on your bottom lashes? We're gonna go in with a little bit of highlighter and just highlight. This is the Dior Forever Nude Glow in 01. You can take a little bit on your finger like this and put it on the inner corner of the eye. It gives the eye a like opened effect that really brightens. We're gonna take the lip glow from Dior in 007. It's like a little raspberry color. You could take a lip liner if you wish and line your lips with the lip color of your choice. Wink from Say Beauty. If you've made a mistake with your mascara, don't fret. Wait for it to dry completely. Don't mess with it until it is absolutely dry. And then we're gonna take it off with a little cotton swab. It's so easy to take off if you let it completely dry on your eye. You can go in and set any places where you still feel maybe a little shiny. If you want to, you can spray this with some sort of lock-in your makeup type of deal. I haven't been doing that. I feel like my makeup has lasted even though I haven't been doing the setting spray. Whatever your ship situation is, God loves you. God sent his one and only son for you to be loved, to know that you have worth and value inside of you, no matter who you are, no matter what you look like, no matter what products you have, whether you have good things or God loves you no matter what. And I hope that this video encourages you to take care of yourself. Even if it's a date on your own, you're gonna go hang out with your family, you're gonna go hang out with friends. Just make the effort to get yourself ready because you are important, sister. You are the daughter of a king. So that means that you are a princess in God's eyes. I just love that we got to hang out together. I will see you in the next video, God willing. Adios. Adios.